How to delete Availity account. Follow the instructions. Go to the Availity portal website and log in using your username and password to access your account. Click on your name or profile icon at the top right corner and select Account Settings from the drop-down. In the Account Settings page, find and click on the Security or Account Preferences section to continue. Scroll down to find the Close Account or Delete Account option available under Account Management Tools. Click the Delete Account button and carefully read all warnings or consequences before proceeding further. Enter your password again to confirm your identity and agree to any final confirmation or agreement shown. Click the Final Confirmation button to permanently delete your Availity account from their system and database. You'll see a confirmation message or receive an email verifying your account has been successfully deleted. Thank you for watching.